Hello friends, most welcome to English Advantage online classes. Friends, in this video, we will be doing a mock test for SSC Multitasking Exam 2017, and this video tutorial will be in English language. So let us get started with this mock test. Now, before I proceed further, let me recommend you this highly useful book for SSC Multitasking Exam. This book is extremely useful. This book covers all the subjects, and this is best for practice. So you can buy this book. I have already given the link of buying this book in the box below. From the link you can buy this book, and you must buy this book. This is extremely useful book, and the price of this book is only rupees 375, and this is called SSC MTS Sure Shot Complete Exam Course. So please go ahead and buy this book from the link, and this will be highly useful for you. Now let us get started with the mock test. In this mock test, I have included some 25 important questions, and you can take a piece of paper and pen and start solving all these questions. And after some time, I will be telling you the answer of these questions. And please add up your all your marks, and whatever is your final score, please send me through the comment box. Now the question number first is enshrine. Now what is the synonym for enshrine? Okay, so please tick mark your answer, then I will be telling you my answer. Enshrine means preserve. Okay, four options are given here: preserve, adulterate, worldly, and unholy. So four options are given here, and your answer here will be preserve. Now let us see the next question, preclude. Now what is the meaning of preclude? Four options are given here: permit, prohibit, strengthen, and prior. And what is the correct synonym for this word preclude? And the correct synonym for this word preclude means prohibit or prevent somebody from doing something or debar somebody. Okay, so here your answer will be prohibit. Let us see the next question, foster. Your options are deviate, blemish, promote, and rear. Four options are given here, so your answer here will be foster, promote, because promote means foster means to promote or to propagate. So here your answer will be promote. Prerogative. What is the meaning of prerogative? Your options are preservative, right, and right. RIOT, right, RITE, right, and RIGHT, right. So four options are given here. Prerogative, and your answer will be right, RIGHT, because prerogative means a particular privilege or particular right. Let us see the next question, interminable. INTERMINABLE, interminable. Now what do you mean by interminable? Four options are given here: incessant, crude, exchangeable, and duty free. Now interminable is something that is endless, that is perpetual, that is ceaseless, and that is endless. So here your answer will be incessant. Now here we start the second part. What is the meaning of for good? So this is the idiom, and idiom and phrase part. For good, your options are temporarily, seriously, permanently, and for a good cause. So this question has already come multiple time in different SSC exams. So here your answer will be permanently, because for good, if you are leaving the country for good, it means you are leaving the country permanently. So for good means permanently. Question number 7, spill the beans. Spill the beans. Four options are given here: bad execution, mess up the plan, disclose a secret, and conceal a secret. So spill the beans means disclose a secret, disclose a secret, or reveal a secret. Now let us see the next question, golden handshake. Your options are promotion, retirement amount, termination, and encouragement. Now when you get retired from your job, you get lots of money as a retirement fund, and that process of giving you money is called golden handshake. So here your answer will be retirement amount. Question number 9, and this belong to antonyms. What is the antonym of ratify? Your options are disparage, discontinue, disqualify, and disapprove. So four options are given here. Now ratify means to sanction something or to approve something. So obviously your answer will be disapprove. Disapprove. Ratify, the opposite of ratify is disapprove. Disparage means belittle, discontinue and disqualify, quite common words. Indolent, what is the antonym of indolent? Your options are imposter, engrossed, inactive and industrious. So indolent means lazy, and the opposite of lazy is hardworking, and that is industrious. Okay, so here your answer will be industrious. And imposter is a cheat person. Engrossed means completely busy in doing something. So here your answer will be industrious. Let us see the question number 11. Capricious. Okay, if you are capricious, let me first tell you the options: serious, attentive, stable and frivolous. Four options are given here. So if you are capricious, you are unstable or you are fickle. So the opposite of capricious will be stable, and frivolous means stupid or very silly. Now here we start the correct spelling part. What is the correct spelling of accede? Accede means to agree, and the correct spelling will be ACCEDE. ACCEDE, that is the correct spelling. Correct spelling of triumph. So the correct spelling of triumph is CTRIUMPH. Now here we start the spotting error part. In whatever part there is error, please tick mark that part, and that only will be your answer. We have to turn back immediately. So here your answer will be B, because with the return we cannot put this back. Okay, because return means to come back, so back is extra here, so you have to remove this back, and here your answer will be B. She has spent lots of money last year in his son's wedding. What is the error in this sentence? This is extremely useful sentence for SSC exams. Now let me explain to you this sentence. Since we are using last year in this sentence, and last year belong to the past tense, so that is why we cannot use has here. We have to use only he spent lots of money last year in his son's wedding. So that is how you can correct this sentence, and A will be your answer. Now let us see the question number 16. Both of you can drive any car efficiently, and can you? So this question belongs to question tag part. In question tag, when the statement is affirmative, question tag is always negative. So both of you can drive any car efficiently, can't you? That is how you will correct this sentence, and here your answer will be C. Question number 17. The seizures is kept on the table. So this is a kind of instrument which is consist of two parts. So seizures and pens and goggles and spectacles, all these instruments are having two parts, so that is why they are considered plural. So in this sentence the mistake lies here. The seizures are, okay, so your answer will be B. You will never find a woman like she. What is the error in this sentence? Very important sentence. Now in this sentence, since like is a preposition, so prepositional object will be her, that is objective case. So here your answer will be C. This is the best which she could do. Okay, this is also very important sentence. Now which seems okay here, but when this relative pronoun is followed by superlative degree, we always use that, not which. So this is wrong here, and in place of this you have to use that. Okay, so B will be your answer. Question number 20th. The interest of the nation as a must prevail over the interest of the few. So this is the filler part. We are talking about the nation as a whole. So here your answer will be whole, and the police did not believe the victim as his story did not seem reasonable. So when you say his story did not add up, it means it was not sounding very reasonable or very believable. So here your answer will be add up. Add to means when you add up figures. Make up and break up are the two different words. Now let us see the next question. Citizens first need to by the rules before they can demand something. Now here we are talking about obeying the rules. So abide is the word that is followed by. Okay, so abide will be your correct answer here. Concede means to accept, accede means to agree, abode means house or residence. So here your answer will be C. Question number 23rd. He is having lots of cars at his home in Delhi. So what will be your answer? When we talk about the possession, have is not used in a ing form. So here your answer will be has. He felt exhausted as he was working since morning. Since we are talking about the past tense here, so here we are using since and for, and since and for they are used in past perfect tense. So that is why we will use had been here. Since we are talking about the past tense, had been will be used here. Next sentence, most people in India like to get free advice. Now advice is not countable, so it is not used in plural. Now this is the verb form, and this is cannot be used in plural, and this is also the wrong. So this sentence is grammatically correct, and here your answer will be D. Now this is the test question, and you have to figure out the synonym of this word catharsis. Your options are release, illusion, captivity and fragility. What is the correct answer? Please send me through the comment box. This question is meant for you. Now if you want to practice through the online mock test series, this is the best mock test series. You can buy it from test.englissadvantage.in. From there you have to first register. You have to put in your password and email ID, and using the online payment options, that is Paytm, net banking, debit card, you can buy this mock test series for 1 year. This test series covers all the questions, all expected questions. All the questions are given in both the languages. I mean they are bilingual, and it also provides you with test report analysis after every test is done. So this is extremely useful and extremely effective for success in all the exams. So the base pack you can buy for only rupees 399, and if you have any problem, if you face any problem, just give me a call on this number 98937 19933, and I will sort out your problem. Now if you are preparing for banking as well as SSC exam, this is the best pack. This is called combo pack, and the price of this pack is only rupees 699. The same procedure you have to adopt, and you can buy this from test.englissadvantage.in. From there you have to register first, then you can buy this mock test series. This is your report card. If in this mock test, if you have managed to got 18 to 25, your performance is outstanding. So according to this table, you can measure your performance and decide where you stand and what more you need to do. Now if you have found this video useful, please like it, share it with your friends, and do send me your final comments. Send me the answer also of the final question. And if you haven't yet subscribed this channel called English Advantage YouTube channel, please do subscribe, please do join us, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications regarding the latest video upload. This is necessary. So please do subscribe, please do join us. And this is English Advantage group on Facebook. Please join this group to get all the notifications. And regarding any query, just give me a call and I will talk to you to solve your problems. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you.